Good morning, class. Today we will be going over a project that will be due next week. This project is called What Dreams Are Made Of. And for this project, you will be making a floor plan of your dream home. And you will write a short paragraph about what your life will be 20 years from now. You will use your knowledge of area and perimeter for this project. Now remember to build off of what we have been learning in class this week, and you will have no problems completing this assignment. The materials that you will need are graph paper, a pencil, calculator, a ruler. But the most important tool and aid in this project will be your imagination and creativity. So feel free to dream big. Be as creative as you like. The sky's the limit with this project. Now your dream home will need to have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a kitchen, a dining room, a living room, and a utility room or a laundry room. You may add bonus rooms such as a big garage that could be attached to your home or not. It could be independent. You could add an office, a media room, a gym, a family room, a pool in your yard, a garden, a playground, anything that you like to add in your home. Now your floor plan must have dimensions of the house and of every room in the house. Please include dimensions. It is very important. You need to specify what room is what, so label that as well. Do not make your bathroom a 20 by 20. That would be a very big bathroom. Now, you could if you like, but make sure you use the proper scale. Try to be as detailed as possible and as neat as possible, because I need to understand your dimensions. I need to understand everything that you label. Now the paragraph that you will be writing does not have to be a very long paragraph. You will be describing what your life will be 20 years from now, or when you will be living in this dream house of yours. If possible, make a connection with your dream home and your lifestyle when writing your paragraph. For example, if you're an avid reader, your hobbies are reading. If you're a personal trainer in your career or your job, then you will maybe enjoy having a home gym. So please correlate your lifestyle with your floor plan. Now you must answer these specific questions, which are: will you be married? Will you have children? And if so, how many? What career or job will you have? And what are your hobbies? Do you like fishing? Do you like bike riding? Do you like reading? Do you like working out? Will you have no hobbies? Just make sure you answer each and every one of these questions in your paragraph. Now your points will consist of 100 points. However, 80 of those points will be for your floor plan. 20 of those points will be for your paragraph. Your floor plan will be turned in at the beginning of class a week from today. The paragraph, however, will be turned in via email before the beginning of class. You will not be allowed to email me during class, so be excused, so that you can go email me, or I will not accept any emails that I receive after class is over. So you will lose out on 20 points if I do not get your paragraph before class begins. Remember that points will be taken off for missing dimensions, labels, or scale. That is very important, and points will be deducted from your floor plan. Most importantly, I would like you to have fun and be creative. Have your home as big as you like, as small as you like, but make sure that all requirements are there. If you have any questions that I can answer anything for you, feel free to ask me in class, through email, or phone call. I will be happy to answer all or any questions that you might have. So please have fun, enjoy yourself, and dream big.